welcome to my YouTube channel, my updated YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going from this look to this look. So I got this hair from Exodus Beauty. Normally I would use it to do an afro because you guys know me, I love my big hair, but I am willing to try something new. So I'm going to be doing a long twist hair today. So just stay with me and let's see how it goes. So I'm going to be sectioning the back like tiny bits, not too big. But with the Xpression Spring Twist, I'm going to be using 2 strands each to create my twist. So I'm just going to stretch it a little bit because I like my twist slightly thicker. So what I'm going to do, and because I want length as well, I'm just going to fold it maybe like half this way. So I'm not folding it straight in half, but I'm going to fold it this way so that by the time I get here I can just twist the rest to get long length. So let's see how that goes. So I've started off at the back and I'm just twisting along. I'm going to release my hand, so I'm not twisting it too thick. If you find that the hair is becoming too long for you to continue twisting, what I normally do, I just hold it like that. Probably not the most hygienic thing to do, but hey, a girl's gotta do what a girl's gotta do, okay? So don't bite my head off now. I take just a tiny bit off on each side to add the different colour, so that it gives me a different mix of colour. So I just mix it like this. I just want it to look a bit more different, not your usuals that you always find online. So I'm mixing those 2 colours together, and then I've sectioned my hair at the back. I'm just going to braid that in, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Honestly, braiding hair yourself is not the easiest.
So all your member today can benefit from a reduced installation charge of £99 and 300 litres of sparkling water per free. 100 degrees boiling, hot, cold.
Okay, so I finally finished twisting. So what I did, I'll show you an example of what I did for the front, because I wanted the front a lot thicker. So I took the hair, like 2 of these, and just folded it in half. And as I was twisting, when I got halfway through, then I just added more to it, just so that I've got the length. So this is how long it is, up to like my waist, I would say. And that's the mixed colour. I absolutely love this hair. Like, seriously guys, absolutely love this hair. It's really soft, it's lightweight, so lightweight. To restock on this hair and actually use it in this brown colour, I'm going to try it out for myself because it's absolutely beautiful. Love it. It's lightweight. I'm going to be showing you different styles that I can do with it. Really love this hair. I will recommend it. I highly recommend this hair. Like, this is the same hair I use for my afro anyway.
To play games right, even teammates like me more than you did. Anytime 感觉像在你手机里不停闪 L plus R 音波同循环，试着直地说着生活有多简单。Wake up in the morning, it's a better round， 是不是觉得没有吵吵 keep life 像是那无忧无虑的 hearty fire If she keeps coming to it every time Feel angry and say Please get out my sight I'm not your fucking toy Can't find a scan boy And keep that in your hands And delete the chatting records PYQ for 3 days on Nah, nah